Okay, secondary functions is going to be the fun part today. Chromaticism and altered chords. Okay. So you must really know, and I'm going to say, make it as short as I can make it. You must really know that chromaticism is their pictures that are foreign do not necessarily related. And you have to say that some people use non-essential chromaticism, which is altered as NCTs. And essential chromaticism, which uses, which is known as altered chords. Okay, so secondary functions, which kind of generally belongs to closer to the key. So that's secondary dominant chords. Okay, this is the trick one up here. So you have to do 5 and 2, or the 5 and 7, and then so that can be some tricks you can look for. Okay, so which is okay, so that's the so for right here. Okay, so my general rule, sometimes when you're looking at the functions, you're gonna have to, okay, alright. Like, okay, I can say this one. Without this part right here, if it been a G, F, A, C, it would just be the minor, be this. But that's not the case. Because what it is, the third note says you got it at a sharp. So that made it the 5, 7, okay, a 2. So first of all, how you find this one? You also have to find the 2 first. So the 2 would have to be a G. Okay, so I know the trick. Hold on. Find that. All right. B7 of 2. Okay. So for the first foremost thing I remembered was finding the 2 chords. 2. Then from there you gotta figure out what the 5 is. So that's how you do this one. And the same goes for if you're looking at the I can pick on one. 5, 7, 3. 5, 7 of the 3 chord. First of all, you're gonna find 3. So, and then go from there. So this one is this scenario. So and if there's a 3 chord going into the F, that F's going to go to A. And then from this point on, you're going to have to put E major. That's how you find this one. Good day, I'm looking at these chapters. This is kind of getting fascinating. Okay, this one is a special rule in a special case. And so this one, I'll explain these ones in a second. Okay, so 5, 7, 4. Okay, it's the same thing as we've been doing. You find the 4 chord first. So that 4 chord is B flat. And then from there, from the B flat, you're gonna go. That's gonna be an F on the side. Wait a minute. Sorry, I had it wrong. Wait a minute. No. 4 chord. Oh shoot, that's the E flat. Sorry. You're that. Okay. 4 is E. Okay, I can explain this. 4 is B flat to F, and then you look at from there. Yeah. It's gonna be F. Ooh, okay. Wait a minute. I know what I did. Hold on. So the 4 chord on that scale was to be B flat. And then there, from this point, you're gonna go to F. F A C E flat to copy that part. Okay, so 5, 7, and 5. 5, 7 over 5. So first of all, you're gonna find the 5 of F, which is C. That's the first part. Then from taking it to this point, you're going to go into finding 5, 7, so it's going to be a G. Wait. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And then let's take it to 6. 6 is the same thing. Everything you do is the same step. So you take this one and you find the 6 of F. So the 6 will be should be a D. That's the 6. And the 5, 7 on that one is going to be an A. A is the 5, 7. So that's how it explains it. So all this one is the rules I remember my favorite professor told me about. Thank you, Dr. Miranda. What in the world? Thank goodness I pay attention to you when you told me this stuff. In Theory 3, I have you know, if I can do this on the praxis, you might be surprised. That's right, run for your life. You'll be very surprised. Okay. And yeah, you're awesome, so I can tell you that much. So this is all the triads right here. Down secondary, okay, I think I just got into that one. And hey, thank you, Dr. Miranda, for your shortcuts. I remembered them. So I don't think I have to go to this one. I already think I found out I remember this. South 61, which I know this. Okay, so we talk about the contacts, okay. And alright. Yep, all those. Okay. Alright. And I think that's all that whole chapter is playing the difference. Now tomorrow is going to be secondary functions too. Let's see if I remember all the little tricks and the stuff. See ya.